Hey guys, how's it going? How to create Habbo account. So once you try to try to go and browse, or sorry, try to create your own account on Habbo, they will ask you for two things. They will ask you for your Apple account, or they will ask you for your Facebook account. So as you can see right here, if we click on the settings here at the bottom right corner, and you're gonna be able right here to see identification. You're gonna see sign with Apple and sign with Facebook. That's the only two platforms that they will allow to be signed in with those accounts, and you can link them so you can start your journey with playing Habbo on your, or Habbo Hotel on your iPhone, okay, or on using your Facebook account on your phone. So Facebook and Apple, that's the only two accounts for now that they accept. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.